Hi and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess, and today we are on day 23 of our Vlogmas journey, and we are doing the Rocky Mountain quilt block. Half square triangles. We have a seam, a partial seam that we need to put together in order to create the center of our block, and yeah, it's amazing. It's a quick sew once you get all the half square triangles made. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the block, and then I'll show you what we have at the end. So in today's Rocky Mountain puzzle quilt block, we have the following cuts of fabric. You will need 5 of each because we're going to make half square triangles out of a background and a light, a background and a dark, and these are cut 3 7/8 inches square. Then you're going to need a medium fabric that is medium or light fabric that is 3.5 inches square. This is going to be our center, and then 2 corners for our block. And then it does say that you need 3 2 by 5 inch squares, or rectangles, but you need 4 because they're going to be surrounding this square, and as far as I know, a square has 4 sides and not 3, so there's a mistype in this puzzle or in the instructions of the Rocky Mountain puzzle quilt. But all right, let's go ahead, start sewing it together. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and make all of these half square triangles and then come back and lay out the block. All right, so to put this block together, we're going to need these 3 units. We have half square triangles that measure 3.5 inches. We have 3 solid medium to light blocks that measure 3.5 inches. And then we have 4 rectangles that measure 2 inches by 5 inches. So let's go ahead and start with the square in the center. And then we are going to place these rectangles all the way around. Now we're going to do something very similar like we have done before in the past with the big O block. We are going to create a partial seam right here, sew across, so then we can start sewing all of these pieces. All right, so after that, so we're going to make our center first, and then we're going to add on the outside. So we have 2 solids that go in opposite corners. Then our half square triangles come in. And they all, and they all face this way for the top. And then the bottom, they get flipped in the other direction. Okay, so that's our block, and that's what we're going to put together. So again, I'm going to create a partial seam here where I'm going to start right about here, sew to the left, so then I can use this long seam, go ahead and put that rectangle, and then when I get up here, then I'll finish the seam. I'm then going to sew these 2 blocks together, add them to the center, and then sew these 4 that are in a row. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then the 2 long seams at the end. Sounds like a good plan of action. Let's see how successful we are. Of course we're going to be successful. And here is the Rocky Mountain block. And again, in this one, I tried using darks, mediums, and lights because we're getting to the end of our pile. I will have to show it to you, our pile on our next block, at the end of our next block. But there she is. Beautiful block. So that's number 23. 1 more to go. Maybe. I know, I'm fishy. I'm going all over the place. Should I do 30? Should I do 24? Like I'm back into that mode again. Breathe. I can do this. I can do hard things. I can make this. I just need to make a decision. Need to do some quilt math over again. Like I just keep looking at this beautiful artwork that I have going on and figuring out what do I really want to do. Do I want to go ahead and make 30? Do I want to put sashing in it? Do I not? So many decisions. Need to sleep on it. Need a good night's sleep on it. Absolutely. Okay, well, anywho, I will see you on day 24 of our Vlogmas. Remember, video drops at noon. And if you've missed a video or if there's one that you want to go back to, there is a playlist of Vlogmas 2024 on my channel that you can go and watch at any time. And it'll be there forever and always. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.